What's going on, guys? So welcome to my JvZoo affiliate marketing tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process and the fastest way you can make money as a complete beginner. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make money with JvZoo in literally a week. Okay, I actually don't use JvZoo often, and I actually sold one product and I did almost $800 in just a week. So I want to show you this extremely powerful method on how you can make money with affiliate marketing, but more specifically with JvZoo. I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys. And this method, I'm going to show you, it's going to be the fastest and the best way to make money just starting out, okay? I've mentioned this before. I've done this with ClickBank. I've done this with other products. And this method works every single time. And this is what I recommend for anyone just starting out. And I use this method as well still to this day, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what I do with this method. With this, you don't need any money to start up. You don't need an audience. You don't need a funnel. You don't need an email list. You don't need anything like that, okay? This is perfect for beginners. I'm going to show you that I did this method and I actually started making money my first week on JvZoo. I've only been on JvZoo for only a week. I had just started my JvZoo account. I'm usually, obviously, if you've been watching me for a while, I promote other products. But I really wanted to test this method in another network, and it works, guys. I did almost $800 with this method in the first week, okay? And then if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus on how I make $1,000 per day on autopilot, the exact system I use to make my income, okay? If you're brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And if you want to learn how to build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom, that's what my channel is about, guys. I want to help you guys, build an affiliate marketing business, build an online business that will pay you for life passively. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to come out with videos almost every single day. All right, guys, let's go and get started with the actual video. All right, what is JvZoo? If you don't know what JvZoo is, it's basically an affiliate network where, people go on and they go and sell their online courses. And you can go on JvZoo and start promoting other people's products, okay? This is called affiliate marketing. If you're familiar with ClickBank, I do a lot of ClickBank videos where you can go to ClickBank, you can find products that you want to sell, and you can promote the products, okay? That's exactly what JvZoo is. It's the exact same thing as ClickBank, but they have other products that you can promote, okay? I've never really used JvZoo. I wanted to prove that this method worked, so that's why I'm doing a tutorial on how you can make money with JvZoo, specifically with affiliate marketing, okay? All right, so basically, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, real quick, you would go to the product you want to promote, you would hit promote, and then you would grab a link, and that link would be connected to you. If someone clicks that link and they buy the product, you make money, okay? Super, super simple, and that's how it works. So let's get started with this method. It's going to be super simple, but very, very powerful, okay? All right, first of all, you need to go to jvzoo.com and create an account. Just go to JvZoo, hit start for free. Really easy to start an account, guys. You just fill out your information and you're good to go. That's going to bring you to the dashboard. Now, of course, I don't use JvZoo. This is not my main thing. I hardly use this at all. This was just a case study to show you that this method works for beginners, okay? But I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to go to see detailed stats here. I'm going to go to all time. And you can see I did this method with one product, and you can see I did almost $800 with that one product, okay? So this is a very powerful method. But let me just show you real quick how JvZoo works. So if you want to find a product to promote, you just go to affiliates, find products here, and then you can choose any of the products that come up here. Give me 1 second. Here we go. Any of these products you can choose to promote. Now, I just started on JvZoo, so as you can see, I'm not approved for any of the products yet. But you can see, if you want to, promote any of these products, you can see what the average sale is here and stuff like that, okay? This is a great way, like if you have a big email list, if you have a big following already, you can start promoting these products that are already proven to do well, okay? Now, I'm just showing you this real quick, but I'm going to show you the method on how I would do this if I was a complete beginner, okay? What you do is you go to a website called muncheye.com, okay? What this website is, it's basically a website where it has a ton of upcoming products, okay? A ton of new products coming out, and these products are, no one's heard about them, and, there's going to be these super affiliates sending these products to their email list, right? And what happens is people are looking and they're gonna be like, they're gonna go and check if this product's legit. So they're gonna go look for reviews. They're gonna go look for YouTube videos. So I'm gonna show you how to do. It's called launch jacking. Okay, so we're literally we're literally taking traffic from these super affiliates, sending these emails to their list. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how it works. All right. So for example, if you can see here, these launches are coming up, like for example, this one's coming up July 30th, okay? So Walt Bayless Prospect Dynamic, okay? So if we click this, okay, it's going to give you some information about the product. Now, more importantly, they have a JV page, okay? This is where you want to go. This page will tell you exactly what the product's about and how they're launching it, stuff like that. Okay, so you can see here they even have a prize for if you have some of the highest affiliates. Okay. Highest affiliate sales. All right, so they have a prize if you want to do that as well. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to do this launch jacking, create these reviews, because people are going to go search this on Google. Okay, so for example, like I said, these super affiliates are sending these emails to their large list, so that people are going to go look and see if this product's legit. Okay, so for example, if someone goes to Google and types in prospect dynamic review, you can see there's a YouTube video here. You can see there's a website here, a review here. You can see that's it. There's not that much reviews on this yet. It's a brand new product, so it's super easy to get traffic because not a lot of websites have done reviews on this yet. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is this website here, Prospect Dynamic Review. You can see this is sites.google.com. So I'm going to show you how to do this for free. Okay, so if I click this here, it's going to pull this up. All right. Now, this is a really simple review. Like, it's not even that hard. Like, this literally took them probably 20 minutes. Okay. Now, I recommend, writing at least 1,000 words, 1,500 words, and you're going to outrank these people. But what I want to show you is that this is a sites.google.com, so they don't have a website. You don't have to pay to have a website, anything like that. Okay, so what you do is you go to google.sites.com and you can actually create a complete website for free. Okay, now the reason you want to do this is, well, one, it's free. Two, this Google website is going to rank on Google, right? It's built on Google, so they're going to rank their stuff first. Okay. So what you can do is you can go to sites.google.com and you can create this website for free. Okay, you can see, you can go to project here and you can create a complete website absolutely free. This is very, very powerful. Okay, so you can have a website in literally 5 to 10 minutes. You can make this however you want, right? This is up to you. Okay, and then what you want to do is write a review on this actual product here. Okay, you want to write a review on this product and then have your affiliate link in there. Okay, so for example, get your affiliate link here. It's going to take me to JvZoo. I can get my link here, and now I can take this link here and add that in the actual review, right? So if I go back to the review, this one here, I'm sure he has something right here. Okay, so if you click this will go to the product where people can buy it. Okay, so this is extremely powerful, guys. This is what I did when I sold almost $800 worth of JvZoo products, because the thing is, these super affiliates are sending these emails to their large list. Obviously, some of them are going to buy right away, but a lot of them are going to go review the product, right? They're going to go see if this product's legit. So these reviews are the best ways to make money if you're just starting out, okay? Because obviously you don't have a list, you don't have a website, you don't have you don't have a following, but you don't really need that because there's no competition. I mean, I proved it right here, right? You can see there's literally like only 2 of these reviews here. Super easy to get a review on this. Okay, now what you need to do is go through Muncheye and start doing reviews on all these products, right? There's Visual Labs, there's Smart Scene, there's Prospect Dynamic. Okay, so if it says a JvZoo here, that means it's coming from JvZoo. But you can also do that with ClickBank products, anything like that. Okay, this is called launch jacking. I've mentioned this before. I actually did a launch jacking campaign back in, I think it's January, with ClickBank. I made over $12,000 with this product. Okay, it was a high ticket product. And so I did another launch jacking campaign with JvZoo with I think it was a $50 product, okay? And that's how I made my $800 because I did a review on this product, okay? And I want to show you that I do this as well, okay? This is something I still do till this day because it's one of the best ways to make money, guys. Let me show you here, okay? So I'm going to go to my blog here, and I'm going to show you that I do these reviews till this day because that's literally the best way to make money if you don't have a following. Obviously, if you have a following, it's even better. But I'm going to go to my blog here. This is my website. Now, I do recommend that you eventually make your own website because you're going to have more authority. You're going to have, you know, it's your asset, right? It's your own website. It's always better to have your own platform. But if you don't want to spend any money, you don't have to do that. You can just go to sites.google.com and create one for free, okay? But I'll talk to you about how you can make a website, and I have a completely free course on how to do this. But let me just show you on one product that I just did here. Here's the Asiago system. You can see I did a complete review on this one. This is my review I did. You can see if we go to muncheye.com. This is a huge launch coming out. This is actually a ClickBank product, but it's a $3,000 product, right? So I did a review on that. You know, I'm doing this method, guys. I'm literally doing this, and I'm showing you exactly how to do this, okay? Now, you can see I actually did a video here for this product here, but if you look, I'm going to show you. This is an affiliate link that goes to that product, okay? So I'm literally using this method as well, okay? Let me show you one more example here. This one right here, Passive Profit Pages. This is another product that's just launching. You can see we did a complete review on this product as well. Yep, you can see it, and then I have my affiliate links sprinkled throughout there, okay? Cool. So that's exactly how I would make money as a complete beginner. I'm still doing this because this is literally one of my favorite ways to make money just starting out, okay? This is, I promise you, this is how you're going to make the fastest money possible, okay? Because these people are looking for these reviews, okay? And especially if these products are just launching, this method is extremely powerful, okay? Now, how do you create this how do you create your own website if you want to learn how to do that? Well, I have a completely free course right here. I literally show you from beginning to end how to create your own website. This is absolutely free, guys. I show you from beginning to end how to create your website because I think that's your end game, right? You want to have your own asset. So if you want to learn how to do this, I'll link that down below. It's my free affiliate marketing course and how to build a website. It's literally, I think, like 11 steps. Like, it's a whole process that I do. You know, this is obviously going to take you some time. You know, right now, if you just want to create something fast, go to sites.google.com and you can do this for free. But eventually, I do recommend that you create a website. So I created this course for you guys. All right, real quick, guys, I just want to talk about the bonus that I mentioned, how I make $1,000 a day on autopilot. You can see here I got a payment of over $1,000 with my main affiliate program. And this is a program that I started out, and this is how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, okay? So if you guys just want to learn fast, if you want to learn the fastest way possible to do this, to do affiliate marketing for the long term, we have a 15-day challenge. This is the exact challenge I took to basically leave my engineering job and start my affiliate marketing business, you know, full time. Okay, I do this full time now. I love what I do. You know, I have that financial freedom. I don't have to worry about going into a job anymore that I literally hated. Like, it was like I would have that anxiety on Sunday night. You know, I would be watching sports and you know, like, I was like, man, I gotta go work Monday, and it sucked, and I just wasn't happy there, okay? Maybe you guys like your job, but I didn't like my job. If you guys, you know, if you're anything like me, you just want to do something else, you want to have that passive income, that financial freedom, this is the #1 product I recommend to get started, okay? You're literally gonna, it's literally a full education on affiliate marketing, on digital marketing in 15 days, okay? So if you want to learn exactly how I did this, I'm going to link this down below. It's going to be the first link in the YouTube description down below. It's going to show you exactly from beginning to end how to start an affiliate marketing, a digital marketing business from beginning to end, okay? You can literally see, you know, every single day you're going through a different process to start a business, okay? And the second link down below, I'm going to give you guys access to my free affiliate marketing course on how to build a website, okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope this video was of value to you guys. I just wanted to help you guys, you know, get your first commissions with JvZoo, ClickBank. This process works, guys. It's called launch jacking, okay? I've done videos about this before, but I'm going to keep preaching it because it works. You can see I'm doing it. I'm still implementing this in my business. Subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope this video was of value. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll talk soon.